Welcome all job seeker freshers. Landing your first job can feel like a daunting task, but with the right approach, you can shine in your interviews. As a fresher, you might not have years of experience, but you bring fresh perspectives, enthusiasm, and a strong desire to learn. Here are 14 top tips designed to help you ace your job interviews and kickstart your career. 1. Research is your superpower. Go deep. Don't just skim the About Us page. Dive into the company's mission, values, recent news, products, services, and industry position. Understand their competitors and any challenges they might be facing. This not only shows genuine interest but also helps you tailor your answers to align with their goals. 2. Master the job description. Read the job description meticulously. Highlight key responsibilities and required skills. Think about how your academic projects, internships, volunteer work, or even extracurricular activities have equipped you with these very skills. 3. Craft your "Tell me about yourself" story. This is often the first question, and your chance to make a strong impression. Prepare a concise, 1 to 2 minute narrative that covers your academic background, relevant skills, key experiences, even if not direct work experience, and most importantly, why you are interested in this specific role at this specific company. 4. Anticipate common questions. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your answers to frequently asked questions like: why do you want this job? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? How do you handle pressure or setbacks? 5. Employ the STAR method for behavioral questions. When asked to describe past situations, e.g., tell me about a time you faced a challenge, use the STAR method to structure your response. Situation. Briefly set the scene. Task. Explain your responsibility in that situation. Action. Detail the steps you took. Result. Describe the positive outcome and what you learned. 6. Dress for success. First impressions are crucial. Choose professional attire that's clean, well-fitted, and appropriate for the industry and company culture. When in doubt, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. 7. Punctuality is non-negotiable. Aim to arrive 10 to 15 minutes early for in-person interviews. For virtual interviews, log in a few minutes before the scheduled time to test your microphone and camera. This demonstrates respect for their time and your eagerness. 8. Project positive body language. A confident demeanor can make a big difference. Smile, make consistent eye contact, without staring, sit upright, and offer a firm handshake, if in person. These small gestures convey confidence and engagement. 9. Listen actively. Pay close attention to the interviewer's questions and comments. Don't interrupt, and if you are unsure about a question, politely ask for clarification. Active listening shows respect and ensures you answer appropriately. 10. Showcase your enthusiasm and drive. As a fresher, extensive experience isn't expected. Instead, emphasize your eagerness to learn, strong work ethic, adaptability, and problem-solving skills. Highlight transferable skills gained from academic projects, volunteer work, or group activities. 11. Prepare thoughtful questions. When the interviewer asks, "Do you have any questions for us?" always have a few prepared. This shows your engagement and helps you determine if the role and company are a good fit. Ask about team dynamics, growth opportunities, or the day-to-day responsibilities. 12. Highlight achievements, not just responsibilities. Instead of merely listing what you did, explain the positive impact of your actions. For example, instead of "worked on a project," say "improved project efficiency by 15% by implementing a new tracking system." Quantify your achievements whenever possible. 13. Be authentic and honest. Don't exaggerate your skills or experience. Interviewers are often adept at spotting inconsistencies. Be yourself. Let your genuine personality shine through. and focus on what you can bring to the table. 14. Send a timely thank you note. Within 24 hours of your interview, send a personalized thank you email to each interviewer. Reiterate your interest in the role, briefly mention something specific you discussed, and thank them for their time. This small gesture can leave a lasting positive impression. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared to make a strong chances of landing that first crucial job. Good session and significantly increase your luck. For all job seekers and freshers, VSK Business Consultant offers free consultation. Contact 9840-336-999 or visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in for guidance and support on your career journey. Trust VSK Business Consultant to help you succeed.